Last episode, we made this 3D car, and in this episode, we'll make it produce smokes and trails. We can now delete these blocks to go back to the previous position because we fixed the mess in the last episode. And it works just fine. I'll make some trails left by the back wheels, so put create clone of myself after switching costume to back wheels. Make it show when clone is created. For now, we'll wait 1 sec before deleting the clone. Let's make it slowly fades out. The trails are above the car. Let's fix it. Make it hide when it's touching the car's color. It is not showing because the window has the same color as the background. We can make the front window a little darker. Why don't we make the trail longer? Let's make smokes coming out. Draw a simple circle. You can press Shift and draw if you want a real circle. We'll also create clone for the smokes. We want the smokes to go up and not trail like this. This when start as clone will be for the trail of wheels and not related with the smokes, so if the costume is not back wheels, it will not run this script. What did I miss? Yes, the knot. Bro. Guys, what is wrong? Make another when I start as a clone for the smokes. The cause of that problem is that the car is creating clones of smokes, but they're not deleted, so it reached the clone limit. We want the smokes to go up. But not this way. We'll make it go back randomly. I'll make the smokes start at the very back of the car. We'll make it move back as it rises. I'll make it rise slowly. And just as you like. Let's make it only smoke when driving. This will also make less stamping and your computer will not smoke. Make a variable called previous. Foreverly set that to everything's related with position joined together. It'll wait until the position or direction is not the same and then only we'll stamp. We can now remove this stamping. It only produces smokes when driving. But I want it to produce smoke when we're pressing up arrow. We'll now add an exhaust pipe. I'm playing too long. Let me just speed it up. It's time to make the lights shine. A depth of 0. Let's try it first. A depth of 0 doesn't work. Again, I'm playing too long. Let's just speed up. Make a variable for the light power. I'll make it draw the car when the green flag is clicked, so I'll rearrange this. There's a problem here. If you change the light power, the light power doesn't change. That's because it don't stamp when it's stopped. Make it so it stamps when light power change. It's now working. Again, I played it too long. Let's make the smokes more randomy. Now it's very randomy.